Hello, welcome to Ivilala Ed. My topic now is immeasurable mercy of Christ. Tapusin po niyo itong video na ito kasi mayroon nangyayari sa buhay ko po na napakakapangilabot. Noong 22 years old po ako, I attended a Cursillo. That time, it was Cursillo season in our country. Then, I graduated. After my graduation, the priest took me as one of the lecturers, Rodriesta. Ang mga kasamahan ko po ay mga may edad na from 60 to 75 years old. Ako lang ang bata, ako lang ang dalaga. Sabi ko, Father, siguro hindi pa time ko maging lecturer. Next time around na. Sabi ni Father, no, you have to have the lecture of love, piety, and sacrifice. So, nagdadasal ako. I said, siguro naman ginagawa ako ng instrumento ng Panginoon to preach the gospel of the Lord. So, I accepted, and then we had lectures on different Cursillo. One time we went to the town. At that time it was martial law. Then there were family political dynasties. The sons who were our delegates were delinquents. The sons of this political dynasty and the rich and the famous. So these delegates were delinquent. They choose them as the abusive sons of these families. So sabi nung mga matatanda, huwag ka mag-lecture dyan, nakakatakot. Kasi mga delinquente yan. Sabi ko, Father, mukhang yatang delikado ito. Kasi daw dalaga ako, baka kung anong gagawin sa akin, mahitsura pa naman daw ako, sabi nila. So maganda naman daw, mahitsura ako. So baka daw kung ano ang gagawin sa akin sa loob. Pag medyo nag-epekto ang lecture ko. So anyway, sabi ni Father, no, hindi pwede. Anyway, so ang ginagawa ko, I entered the Adoration Chapel because pumapasok kami sa Adoration Chapel. This is the image in the Adoration Chapel that we have, and then inside there is the Holy Eucharist, the true body and blood of Christ. When I was praying seriously, with concentration, asking for the mercy of the Lord, biglang nagkaroon ako ng vision, the true blood and water of Christ flowing from His heart filled up the chapel while He was holding my head. Wala siyang sinasabi kung hindi bumubuhos na lang yung dugo at saka yung tubig sa kanyang puso. Yun ho, pagbuka ko ng mata ko, ay talagang nagkaroon ako ng strength at saka courage to lecture. Pumasok ako sa classroom, I lectured. It was a very good lecture which I did not know where I got them. So it was really an immeasurable mercy of the Lord. So after the lecture, I went out and then I was congratulated by Father. Sabi niya, wow, very nice lecture. It was effective to this problematic sons of the political dynasties, families of this place. I said, Father, may nangyayari sa akin sa kapilya. Hindi ko sinabi sa kanya. Ngayon ko lang po ay binablog to spread so that we will not be taking for granted the Adoration Chapel because that is where the body and blood of Christ, and also the importance of the sacrifice of the Mass when the bread is changed into the body and blood of Christ. He is truly there with immeasurable mercy for us. Okay, that's it. Thanks. Like and share and comment.